This is Purple Thunder. She's a 1972 Ford XA Falcon GT worth $180,000. We call her Purple Thunder because she arrives like a storm and she cuts through the silence with her powerful engine. She's been restored from bare metal and finished in this original colour wild violet with GT styling and blackouts. She's set upon these staggered 18-inch Boyd Coddington Espada wheels, and she has a silhouette that's equal parts menace and style. As for the interior, she's been retrimmed with factory-style white vinyl with GT bucket seats and centre console. There's also an aftermarket wood-rimmed steering wheel, power steering, and a rare wind-back sunroof. And here's the showstopper. You've got a 440 Ci Windsor V8 engine with a Tremec TKO 600 5-speed manual transmission, not to mention a 9-inch Detroit TrueTrac differential and 700 horsepower at the flywheel. So if you want to experience the power of Purple Thunder, you've got to get your packages. They're available now and this could be in your garage. It's Jackie from Classics, where we proudly support veterans.